Hello, my friends. I may have put the cart before the horse when I did Better Brain Tips 70, talking about my concerns about the brand new research that's been published on lithium and Alzheimer's disease. Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Becky of Dr. Becky's Better Brain Tips. And in Better Brain Tip number 70, I talked about some of my concerns related to people just jumping on the bandwagon right away about taking lithium orotate supplementation because I had some concerns, which I described in that video. But I want to talk a little bit, and in all fairness, I should talk about what were the things in this study that had Nature magazine and then Harvard excited. So this is what they were excited about related to lithium and Alzheimer's disease. They said that in the studies they saw that improving lithium in the brain improved age-related neuroinflammation. It also restored spatial memory. It suppressed the progression of Alzheimer's disease, and it promoted the microglial clearance of beta amyloid plaque. And that would be exciting as heck for that to be true. But the parts that were concerning for me, number one, was that this is all in mouse studies, not in human studies. And I understand we have to start somewhere, but I'd like to see some information in the human studies to see, does this really hold true in humans? But the second part that had me concerned when I was reading through the research, this new research, is that the authors of the study stated that there was only one mineral that they had ever seen in brains that were deficient in Alzheimer's disease, and that mineral was lithium. And so that if lithium could be improved in the brain, then that would likely improve the outcomes for any of the dementias, but Alzheimer's in particular. The reason that was perplexing to me is because when I was back getting my postdoctorate training in the RECODE protocol, there were plenty of studies from 2011 and in 2016 that highlighted the deficiencies of magnesium in the brain and other minerals as well. So when this study said they'd only found one mineral, lithium, I thought, well, that's not true. Because again, when I was back in my postdoc training, I saw the studies from 2011 and 2016. Subsequently, new studies, 2022, 23, and 24 also continue to state the role of magnesium deficiency in the brain. So there's no bad side effects about taking magnesium. So I'm going to stand true. Supplementing with magnesium would be my choice over lithium for now.